Hello and welcome back to Sam's Diecast, your in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of diecast cars. Today we have a really cool 2021 Hot Wheels. This is the Disney Steamboat. And this is actually a new for 2021. It's a 2021 casting. Hot Wheels screen time, number 9 of 10, and as a special feature, see back for details. Got a little crinkle in the card there. I got another one at the Dollar General that I got it from like yesterday. Got another one to keep in the packaging, so this one is an opener because of that crinkle. It says Disney Mickey Mouse on it, so this is from one of the original Mickey Mouse episodes. Disney Steamboat, new for 2021. It's 193 of 250 on the year for 2021, and it is on a USA card from a Dollar General. GRX18 is the number, and this is from an L case. The special feature is that rotates around, so we will have to see. And it was born 2020, El Segundo, California, and the designer is Walt Disney. Disney Steamboat. In 1928, Steamboat Willie premiered as the first Disney animated film to use synchronized sound and became the vehicle that propelled a relatively unknown character named Mickey Mouse to stardom. This recreation of the Steamboat might not propel you to stardom, but it's certainly a vehicle any Disney fan will treasure. Hot Wheels screen time, 9 of 10. Vehicles inspired by popular movies, TV shows, video games, and more. 2020 copyright. I don't really think I'm a full-on Disney fan, but I am a Hot Wheels fan. So let's get it open. Yeah, these ones are really hard to open. I can't even explain why. Yeah, no way we're saving that open. Piece of paper. Got that rotating or that spinning what is a steamboat thingy thing. Actually goes all the way around, and it actually rolls somewhat. It's actually all connected. That's cool. It's super cool. Got like a bunch of flags and cargo and all the bricks and stuff like that. That's really cool. We got some windows and stuff, so it got detail on it. That's cool. Flag there. Steering. I don't think I've watched the episode in a long time. I mean, it's not like I was born in 1928, but I just don't remember what happened in the episode, so I can't really like relate to anything that's on this boat. It's a plastic base. All the white is the die cast. All these pipes are plastic. It's pretty cool. Disney Steamboat, like these old style boats. Made in Malaysia, and Disney, and there's no 2020 casting copyright on it. It's a really cool casting nonetheless, though. Thanks for tuning in, and please subscribe for more. Just to unbox the Disney Steamboat 2021 Hot Wheels.